Hey, g'day, Trade Sam here from Trade to Prosper to give you another update. The last post I did on VET was 13 days ago, and I'll just do a quick one as well. If you missed out, well, there's still some chance. What we have on this chart is these moving averages, and you can see how we broke above them. These were acting as resistance, especially around here, all the way through, so it makes sense that once it breaks above these moving averages and so on. It hasn't really done the macro move yet. So when you look at this level, it is still looking for a breakout. And once that breaks out, so I do expect some price to find resistance at this level, almost there. And it could do one or two things. It can grab the liquidity above and then pull back down. So this is our liquidity level. If the market's real bullshit, it will just continue to go up. However, I do feel like it will be a bit of a fake out, pull back in, and what we have is a strong support level here. So if we were to look at it, eye it out, that is a strong level. Bugger. It's on white. Give me a sec. That's a strong level. Now let's make an assumption that we get a pullback and maybe even there. So wherever it gets a pullback, that is the golden ratio. It's also a nice level, and therefore if it does pull back a bit, which probably won't, we have another level that we're probably interested in, which is this one here roughly. This is also another level that you might just pull back to that level and then up. So I'll be looking for another entry, and then you can see this is a formation breakout. So from an 8 wave perspective, that's our A, B, C, D, and we're going to look for our E. E could be slightly there. The fact that we have a number of touches here, so it should be a bit of a resistance. Like I said, you could take some liquidity and then pull back and then move on. This is along with our Wyckoff accumulation, and we will make this assumption that this is a golden ratio, and then we have these targets later on. So we can say that's one of our targets, which is about, I don't know, whatever it is, nearly 3 cents. And so from here to there, that's a pretty good move, another 38%. And when we look at the bigger picture, even better. Then we have these other ones, and then we can see ideally this is where we're going to find a bigger formation, part of a bigger formation. And so when price comes to that level, I do expect a bit of a pullback. You can say that is, if it goes sideways, it's probably like that, and we get our pullback, and that's our big move there. And so we will look for the golden ratio again, wherever it pulls back to, maybe ideally here. If it pulls back to there, that would be ideal, but you never know. And then we have this big move. So VET is looking very good. And let's just look at it from another perspective. And let's put on the bigger time frame. There we go. So we are approaching a golden ratio level here. So this is going to be a bit of resistance, like I said, guys. Here's another reason that is going to be a resistance. So we can break above that from that perspective on the weekly. We've already done the breakout from this formation. Then we've got the bigger formations coming ahead. Like I said, guys, this is looking really good. And I've given my entry levels and those scenarios that could play out. So please give me a like and share. Talk to you soon. Cheers.